Hello student, in the chapter 1, today we will discuss measurement of temperature at 4th and 5th state of matters. Now discuss measurement of temperature. Dear student, there are three scale to measurement of temperature. How many scale for measurement of temperature? There are three scale measurement of temperature. The student, first is degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is presented by here degree Celsius, degree then Celsius. Okay, for degree here and Celsius same. Dear student, degree Celsius scale calibrates from 0 to 100 degree Celsius. And second is degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit represented by degree F. Okay, dear student, by using the degree Fahrenheit scale, we calibrate from 32 to 212 Fahrenheit. From 32 to 212 Fahrenheit. Dear student, another scale, that is Kelvin scale, which is represented by symbol K. Dear student, this is the SI unit, not a calibration scale. So don't write degree on the Kelvin K. Okay, SI unit of the temperature. This is the SI unit of temperature measurement. Okay, student. Dear student, now discuss relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. If in a question degree Celsius are given, then how to convert in Fahrenheit, or in question Fahrenheit are given, then how to calculate degree Celsius. For this there are relation degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9.5 into degree Celsius, which are given in question, plus 30. Okay, this is the interconversion for degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's now discuss relation between Kelvin and Celsius scale. Relation between Kelvin and Celsius scale. Dear student, for the relation between Kelvin and Celsius scale, you write down, you add 273.15 in the temperature of degree Celsius, which are given in question. Again, for the conversion degree Celsius into Kelvin, write add 273.15 in the temperature of given in degree Celsius. Okay, dear students, here the some example for the conversion of the degree Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to degree Celsius. Dear students, here the questions are given. In this question, 30 degree Celsius to Kelvin scale. Dear student, for the conversion 30 degree Celsius into Kelvin scale, you know that for the conversion degree Celsius into Kelvin scale, you add 273.15 in degree Celsius. Here degree Celsius is 30, so write here 273.15 plus 30, that is equal to 303.15 Kelvin. Dear student, always remember, for the conversion degree Celsius into Kelvin, you add 273.15 in the degree Celsius. Okay. Another example, for the conversion, convert 575 Kelvin to degree Celsius. Again, convert 575 Kelvin to Celsius scale. Dear student, we use the same formula for the conversion degree Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to degree Celsius. For the conversion Kelvin into degree Celsius, again we write minus, we subtract 273 from the Kelvin. Again, for the conversion Kelvin into degree Celsius, you subtract 273.15 from the degree Celsius from the Kelvin. Here it's 575 is in Kelvin. For the conversion in degree Celsius, right here 575 minus 273.15. Okay. So always remember, for the conversion Kelvin into Celsius, you subtract 273.15 from the Kelvin. Okay, students. So answer is here 301.85 degree Celsius. Okay, student. I think you understand how to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and degree Celsius into Fahrenheit, and how to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius and degree Celsius into Kelvin. Always remember the both formula and convert all the temperatures into each other. Okay. There are three scales for measurement of temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Degree Celsius have the degree at the C, and in Fahrenheit degree at the Fahrenheit, but Kelvin have not degree due to it is the SI unit of the temperature measurement, not a calibrating scale. Okay, student. Now discuss, dear student, you know that there are three states of commonly three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. But there are another state of matter that is known as the plasma state and the Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. So now discuss what is the plasma state of the matter. Dear student, plasma state is the fourth state of matter. Plasma state is fourth state matter. First state is solid, second state is liquid, third state is gas, and fourth state is the plasma. Plasma state of the matter is the fourth state of matter. Dear student, plasma consists highly ionized gas. Plasma is the ionized gas. Again, plasma. What is the plasma? Plasma is a ionized gas. Dear student, when we flow electric current through the air, through the gas, then gas ionized. The ionized gas is known as plasma. Okay, student. For example, a fluorescence tube which is contain helium and other gases. Fluorescence tube which is contain helium and other gases. Okay, student. When we pass electric through the gas, then you know that when we pass electric through the gas produce glowing due to it is because the gas is now ionized and converted to plasma. A plasma is a glowing material. Plasma is a glowing material. When we flow current through the gas became ionized, and ionized gas is known as plasma, which is a glowing material. So here, when electric passed through the gas, it produced glowing plasma, and the colors depend upon the nature of the gas. Dear student, all the gases, when we pass the electric current through the gas, then gas became ionized, and ionized gas is known as plasma, which is a glowing material. But the color of the glowing material depend upon the nature of gas. Okay, students. Dear student, plasma produced in the sun. You know that sun also glow and stars also glowing. Are you know that how to sun or stars glow? Dear student, due to presence of gases in the sun and stars. Sun and star contains some gases. Sun contains helium-like gases, and due to higher temperature, it converts into the gases which is present at the sun and at the star. Due to high temperature, it converts into plasma. It became ionized, and then it glow. Make them glow. So you say that sun and star glow due to presence of ionized gas, that is plasma. Okay student, due to presence of plasma, sun and stars glow. Okay. Next is Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate is the fifth state of matter. Dear student, Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC, is the fifth state of matter. Dear student, this state of matter measured at very low temperature, at very low density of the gas. Dear student, this is obtained or discussed by Bose and Einstein. So the name of this state is known as Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC. Bose is Indian scientist, whereas Einstein American scientist. Okay. Dear student, Bose-Einstein condensate state obtained when a gas, supercooling gas, externally low density. When we take a gas which have the low density and it cool at the lower and lower temperature, we obtained BEC, that is Bose-Einstein condensate state. Dear student, after this lecture, the chapters is ended. Dear student, please write down about these chapters content on the board and solve the questions which is given in your NCERT book. Thank you very much.